How to fix Roblox not launching on Android device. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will learn how we can fix if Roblox is not launching on your Android device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First, restart your device. This is simple but effective method that will help you fix your problem. Once you restart your device, now again reopen the Roblox and check if it is working or not. If still not, make sure that you have a stable or strong internet connection. If you have poor or bad internet connection, then the Roblox might not launch properly. So check your internet connection. If that still does not help you, then you have to clear the application cache. Here, head over to settings in your device. Tap on apps. Tap on the See All apps, tap on the search icon at the top right. Now search for Roblox. Tap on Storage and Cache, and here tap on Clear Cache. Once you do that, you can close settings, reopen in Roblox, and check if that will help you solve your problem or not. If not, make sure that the application is up to date. Open up Play Store in your device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right, and in the search bar, search Roblox and make sure that the application is up to date to the latest version. If this still does not work, then uninstall the application completely from your device, reinstall it back from the Google Play Store, and that may help you solve your problem. If that still does not help you, and at last, check your device compatibility. Make sure that your device meets Roblox minimum requirement. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.